Hey everyone, it's Claudia. Welcome back to the Green Farm channel. Thank you for stopping by. I am glad to have you here and I'm really excited to share with you what's underneath this piece of paper. If you guys have been following our social media, then you would have seen two of the characters. If not, you should be. Anyways, without further ado, I want to hurry up and share this adorable kit. All the information will be in the video, so please stay and watch, and then you could head on over to the Greeting Farm to place your pre-order. So without further ado, oh wait, if you had, did you guess the theme? Guess a theme, pause this and guess the theme, and then come back and see if you were right. All right, I'll see you in a minute. All right, friends, if you've guessed, it is a floral theme. It is an adorable kit with all the Anyas, and this kit is called Petal Princesses, and it is so cute. I can't tell you how excited I was when I saw this kit. We've got 8 Anyas, and if you're wondering, they are Anyas. They are not the beans. A lot of you guys get really confused between the two, and don't feel bad because I used to always, until I noticed that the beans have stars in their eyes and this one doesn't. Also, the beans are a little bit smaller than Anya. So those are the two ways you can tell that they're beans, and you could tell which is beans and which is Anya. So these are Anyas, and we've got 8 of them, all dressed in really cute outfits. This is perfect for the spring. I mean, really, you could use this anytime during the year. This is the kit. We've got, like I said, 8 Anyas. They all have super adorable flower headpieces, and their dresses are so cute. Some look more elegant, some look very springish. Like these are just such a versatile set. You can make them into, you know, cards, regular cards like thank yous, happy birthday. I have a theme that I'm going to tell you in a bit, but let's go over these Anyas really quick. So you've got this one with the peony headpiece, so cute, and her dress is so adorable. I think these are orchids on this one, and then she's wearing a tube top and a skirt. So cute. This one is more elegant. I just feel like it's a ball type Anya. And then you have this one with the I think, wait, before I go on to this one, I think these are tulips. This is a ranunculus, and these two are my favorite flowers, and so I loved, plus I love their hair, and it was so much fun to color, guys. Not just these, but all of them. And then her dress is adorable. You've got this one. I think these are irises, but I could be wrong. I am not good at identifying flowers. I'm really bad. So correct me if I'm not correct on what those are. Sunflower on this one. She reminds me of, what's her name? Tinkerbell. It was inspired by Tinkerbell, and the hair was similar to this, and that's why I colored it blonde. Her dress is so cute as well. And then you have this one, I think of it, boho chic on these two. Boho chic. Just love the headpieces. So adorable. Then you've got 3 sentiments. Have a blossom day, how's it going, and bloom with grace. Then sprinkled within this kit, you've got little elements to help you build on your scene. You've got a heart, falling petal leaves. I forgot to color this one in, but you've got 2 of those, 2 different sizes. And then you've got this little flower, 2 bees. I love that they're facing opposite ways. And then you've got a butterfly, and then another flower. So I just think that this is such a pretty stamp kit. I mean, I love every big kit and stamp that is produced by the Greeting Farm, but I just keep thinking, wow, I really love the new one and the new one, and I just love all of them. And this does not disappoint. This doesn't. I don't even know. I don't have the words on how gorgeous this kit is. So yeah, this is the kit called, once again, Petal Princess. And I just want to show you the 2 samples that I made using this kit. I went ahead and used this character and this one. the way I colored them made sense with the background paper. I was initially going to make one as a birthday card, so I made this into a card. But then I thought I've been wanting to have a tea party in my backyard, and I was thinking of making these placeholders and matching them to my guests, like, you know, which Anya looks like my guests. And I was thinking of making them placeholders for my guests and then matching the Anya that looks like my guest. Not only is this good for placeholders, but this is also good for a favor box that you could put on and they could take home with like little, their goodie. Either you could do a goodie box, you know, with already pre-packed, or their to-go box. So I just think this is such a good idea. This is such a good idea if you're having a little tea party for your little girl or a bridal shower. This would be such a cute theme. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you. Both of them are cards. If I was to make this a placeholder, which I did make one, they're both exactly the same template. You could just have it stand up, you know, by where they're gonna sit. I mean, I know that's not standing up right now. I'll find a way to make it stand, but I just thought this was so cute. You know what? You don't even have to have it stand. You could just put it right there on their plate. So yeah, I thought that was such a cute idea to share with you guys. All right, let's get into the details with regards to this kit. So this kit is going to be on pre-order starting today, April 1st through the 7th. April 1st through the 7th, so please write that in your planner. It will be for the pre-order price of $42. And if you guys forget to purchase this during pre-order time, we may or may not have some in the shop. So whatever's left over from the pre-order sale will go into the store at the price of $50. So that's the regular retail price is $50, but if you order this during pre-order, it's $42. So I highly encourage you guys to order this during the pre-order season, or pre-order time frame, because if you don't, you're not going to be guaranteed a kit or the price of $42. So if you do pre-order it, obviously you are guaranteed your kit and you're paying $42. So this is why I highly, highly encourage you guys to pre-order them. We don't always have leftovers, and if we do, sometimes it's only a few, maybe even 3, sometimes it's 1, sometimes it's 10. It's first come, first served basis, and I'm not always notified when there's leftovers in the store and they're available. So when I do get to see it, I am too late and they're already sold out. So this is why I encourage you guys to, of course, pre-order and to follow all our social medias, because someone will be notified from the team that this is now in the stores. So please don't miss out on the pre-order, because I know you guys think this is such a gorgeous kit, and you're not wrong. And I wouldn't want you guys to miss out on it. So yeah, this is Petal Princesses, and estimate time of arrival would probably be around the end of April. So that is all the information. If you guys have any other questions, leave them in the comment section down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. All right, everyone, thank you for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are as excited for this kit as I am. And it was so much fun to color and play with. I know you guys will have as much fun as I did. All right, everyone, if you have any other ideas on how to use this, leave them down below. I would love to see and probably use some of your ideas. Thank you for stopping by, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.